Okay, so first put that data in order. There's our 12 items, and so look to make sure that when you count, there's 12 things to start and that you've got 12 things in the list. Okay, so my minimum of the data set, do you see it's going to be a 7? My maximum of the data set is going to be a 32. Mode of the data set, when you were writing it, you probably noticed is a 19. Median is going to be our middle. So since it's 12 items, an even data set, we're going to not land on an exact number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items on each side. So the middle of 19 and 19 is just 19. Q1 is going to be the middle of that first half. So I'm going to take a calculator and do 11 plus 15. Some of you can probably do this in your head. Is 26. And so 26 divided by 2 is just 13. So my Q1 is 13. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, in the middle of 27 and 28 is just going to be 27.5 as my Q3. IQR is where we subtract Q3 minus Q1, the interquartile range. So you're going to do 27.5 minus the 13. Those are the numbers you just got. And so that gives you 14.5 as the IQR. For the outlier tests, there's always going to be the lower and the upper tests. And I'm going to give you these formulas on the test for reference. And so Q1 is 13 minus 1.5 times the IQR. And Q3 is 27.5. Oops. Sorry, guys, that was supposed to be a plus. Plus 1.5 times the IQR. And so 1.5 times 14.5, that's 21.75. Okay, so 13 minus is negative 8.75. And then 27.5 plus is 49.25. So looking up at our data, do we have anything above a 49? No. Do we have anything below? No. So there's no lower or upper outliers. So then I go draw my box and whisker plot. Front of the box is my Q1. Back of the box is my Q3. Connect the box. Q1 is at 13. Q3 is at 27.5. My Q2 is at 19. My whisker is going to go out to a 32. And my whisker is going to go down to a 7. My min and my max. And we're done. If there were outliers, we'd have to put those on here, but there aren't any. What are we going to do next week? We're going to practice one with an outlier. All right, now going back up to the mean, I'm going to be adding. And so 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 plus 19 plus 19 plus 20 plus 27 plus 28 plus 31 plus 32. Double check me. I got 234. When there's this many in the data set, I always add it twice. 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 plus 19 plus 19 plus 20 plus 27 plus 28 plus 31 plus 32. Yep, got the same thing again. Divide that by 12. I get exactly 19.5. How'd you do?